Okay, that is what I've been walking around looking for, and I want to go up. It's the Taming Sari Tower. Up all the way. Okay, let's go people. Hi everyone, by the way. Forgot to say that. Let's go. We are now at Taming Sari Tower, so let's go for it. Okay, so I bought the ticket. It's 23 ringgit and it comes with a bottle of water. Okay, not bad. And now I need to sit and wait for my turn. As you can see, there's a lot of people. This is where we will wait. Okay, next is us. Bird's eye view of Melaka. Okay, here we go. I am seated. Everyone is seated. Are you allowed to stand?
Selamat datang kembali Taman Sari. Itu kan taman di Indonesia. Kemudian Taman Sari ada 110 dan
Alright, we are going up. Okay, next that's where I want to go. See that ship over there? That is the Marine Museum. I think I will go there in the evening. It closes at 5, so I'll be going there later. Not later, another day. So here we go. Look at that view, everyone. Look at that view. It's turning. So it's turning. You can really see Melaka all the way. It's definitely worth paying 23 ringgit. Afar. Let's look afar, Sungai Melaka River. On the day I would like to take a cruise, the river cruise, daytime and nighttime. I'm sure the atmosphere is totally different. Yeah, that's the Marine Museum that I would like to go on another day. So we shall see again. It will be in another video, everyone. Right now, just enjoy the view. It's 23 ringgit for foreigners, I guess for tourists. Local Malaysians pay cheaper, I think about 10 ringgit I saw. If I'm not mistaken, I saw that. Nice view, nice view. We are going down. Down. Slowly but surely. Time to leave and let's see what else do they have. I see there's some shops. Maybe I'll get something. I'll buy something. I don't know. We shall take a look. Okay, let's go. it, everyone. We have taken the ride together. That's it. It's done. Thank you for watching the video to the end. See ya.